E46 wagon taillight removal. So essentially, where is this? You got a couple screws you need to take out. You got one there. You got one in there, which goes on there, and that's it. And a couple clips that hold on to it from the back. And then, in order to take out the tail light, sorry. So you got one there, you got one there, and then you're gonna have one there, and you're good. So we're done. We're swapping out the Euro, so this is what it looks like in the back, the brackets. So on this side, open this up. You got a screw here. You got another screw right there. Pop them out. You got a couple clips here. Same process. Done.